ACCUPLACER Health Professions Vocabulary Practice. Question 1. A health science instructor opens 7 packs of study guides with 12 in each pack and uses 15. How many remain for review? Option A, 84. Option B, 69. Option C, 4. Option D, -21. The correct answer is option B, 69. The total supply is 7 multiplied by 12, and the used amount is then subtracted, leaving 69. The distractors skip the subtraction, add instead of multiply, or subtract before finding the full total. Question 2. Add the 2 review portions 3/4 and 1/4 to find the total part of the assignment completed for review set 18. Option A, 1/2. Option B, 9/8. Option C, 1. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option C, 1. Fractions must be rewritten with a common denominator before adding the numerators, giving 1. The incorrect answers come from adding denominators, subtracting the portions, or changing the denominator without preserving the value. Question 3. Round 6.04 to the nearest tenth for a quick lab estimate entry for review set 18. Option A, 7. Option B, 6.04. Option C, 0. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option D, 6. Rounding to the nearest tenth keeps one digit after the decimal and checks the hundredths place, producing 6. The incorrect choices truncate, round to a whole number, or leave too many decimal places. Question 4. If a packet of 130 items is reduced by 20%, how many items remain? Option A, 104. Option B, 110. Option C, 26. Option D, 150. The correct answer is option A, 104. A decrease by 20% leaves 80% of the original, so the remaining amount is 104. The other choices subtract the percent as if it were a count, find only the removed part, or increase the amount. Question 5. A review group divides 42 flashcards in a 3:3 ratio between terminology and math. How many terminology cards are assigned? Option A, 36. Option B, 21. Option C, 126. Option D, 7. The correct answer is option B, 21. The total is divided by the sum of ratio parts, then multiplied by the terminology part, giving 21. The distractors choose the other share, subtract ratio parts from the total, or multiply by a ratio number without first finding one part. Question 6. Convert 1.2 grams to milligrams in a basic metric review problem. Option A, 120. Option B, 12. Option C, 1,200. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option C, 1,200. 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams, so multiplying 1.2 by 1,000 gives 1,200 milligrams. The other choices apply smaller conversion factors or divide in the wrong direction. Question 7. Evaluate y equals 4x plus 4 when x equals 5 for a simple application model. Option A, 13. Option B, 36. Option C, 20. Option D, 24. The correct answer is option D, 24. Substitution places 5 into the expression, so y equals 4, 5, plus 4 equals 24. The incorrect choices add instead of multiply, group the terms incorrectly, or omit the constant. Question 8. A learner completes 10 practice items per hour for 8 hours and then finishes 6 more. How many items are completed? Option A, 86. Option B, 24. Option C, 80. Option D, 140. The correct answer is option A, 86. The hourly rate is multiplied by time and the extra items are added afterward, giving 86. The other choices add all quantities, forget the extra work, or multiply by the extra items as if they were hours. Question 9. Identify the median of the data set 8, 12, 10, 16, and 14. Option A, 8. Option B, 12. Option C, 16. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option B, 12. The median is the middle value after ordering the data, so the center score is 12. The incorrect choices use the mean, range, minimum, or maximum instead of the middle value. Question 10. A bin contains 4 red, 7 blue, and 4 green practice tokens. What is the probability of selecting green? Option A, 7/15. Option B, 4/11. Option C, 4/15. Option D, 15/4. The correct answer is option C, 4/15. The favorable outcomes are the 4 green tokens out of 15 total tokens, so the probability is 4/15. The other choices use the wrong color count, leave out part of the total, or invert the fraction. Question 11. In the model y equals 5x plus 7, what value represents the y-intercept? Option A, 5. Option B, 12. Option C, 35. Option D, 7. The correct answer is option D, 7. In slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, the constant b is the y-intercept, so the value is 7. The other choices confuse the intercept with slope, combine the two values, or change the sign without reason. Question 12. A supply box measures 9 by 5 by 3 inches. What is its volume in cubic inches? Option A, 135. Option B, 45. Option C, 34. Option D, 17. The correct answer is option A, 135. Volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height, so the volume is 135 cubic inches. The incorrect choices find a face area, a perimeter-like sum, or add one dimension after multiplying. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. Short daily review sessions can build stronger retention than occasional long cramming sessions. For review set 18. Option A, testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B, consistent review is usually better than last-minute cramming. Option C, only memorization matters in health programs. Option D, long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option B. Consistent review is usually better than last-minute cramming. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The practice schedule moved from 1 long weekend session to 4 shorter weekday sessions. For review set 18. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. The schedule now emphasizes spaced practice. Option D. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. The correct answer is option C. The schedule now emphasizes spaced practice. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word coherent most nearly mean for review set 18? Option A, written in medical shorthand. Option B, based only on numbers. Option C, unrelated to the topic. Option D, logically connected and clear. The correct answer is option D, logically connected and clear. The word coherent is used in academic contexts to mean logically connected and clear. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely compares 2 study plans before recommending one for review set 18? Option A, to show why one approach is more effective than another. Option B, to distract readers from the main claim. Option C, to remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D, to make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option A, to show why one approach is more effective than another. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Charts summarize data visually, and statistics describe patterns in data. For review set 18. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. Data skills include interpreting both charts and statistical summaries. Option C. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option B. Data skills include interpreting both charts and statistical summaries. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 18. Option A. The group of nursing candidates review algebra together. Option B. The group of nursing candidates reviewing algebra together. Option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. Option D. The group of nursing candidates are review algebra together. The correct answer is option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 18. Option A. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option B. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option C. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. The correct answer is option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses standard English correctly for review set 18. Option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Option B. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and I. Option C. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and myself. Option D. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and mine. The correct answer is option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The learner mastered fractions quickly. Blank, percentages required extra practice. For review set 18, option A. Therefore. Option B. However. Option C. For instance. Option D. In the same way. The correct answer is option B. However. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. There are many students who benefit from reviewing missed questions. For review set 18. Option A. There are reviewing missed questions from many students who benefit. Option B. Many students, who are many, benefit from missed questions reviewing. Option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. Option D. Reviewing missed questions are benefited by many students. The correct answer is option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does hepatitis most likely mean for review set 18? Option A. Inflammation of the heart. Option B. Removal of the kidney. Option C. Study of blood. Option D, inflammation of the liver. The correct answer is option D, inflammation of the liver. The word parts in hepatitis point to inflammation of the liver. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Identify the organ that filters blood to form urine for review set 18. Option A, kidney. Option B, stomach. Option C, the lung. Option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option A, kidney. The kidneys filter blood, regulate fluid balance, and produce urine. The stomach digests food, the lungs exchange gases, and the pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones. Question 25. A claim is supported by repeated measurements from several trials. What makes the claim stronger for review set 18? Option A, a louder presentation. Option B, consistent evidence across trials. Option C, a larger font on the chart. Option D, a personal preference. The correct answer is option B, consistent evidence across trials. Reliable conclusions depend on consistent evidence gathered through repeated trials. Presentation style or preference does not strengthen scientific support without data.